Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Um, I know it's been a long time. I haven't posted anything. The road to 1K. To be quite honest with you guys, I have been procrastinating on the videos just because I had just some hard times, trading wise. I was feeling a bit down, lost. I wasn't following my rules and all that, but that's gonna be for another video, right? So we just took two trades right here. I'm gonna run you. Oh my god. Guys, I just had a closure right here. I closed it manually. Wow, the moment I close it, it's coming back. Actually, what a precision trade. Right, let's run through the trades that we took today. I'm pretty sure we took one here or one here. Let me see. Either way, lovely day. Lovely day. A day that required a lot of patience and discipline from us. Really a lot of. What the fuck? Some girls are laughing like the fucking Joker in the hallway. Right. So I have two accounts, right? One is in deep fucking drawdown. Right. I need like $700 to win it back. But here's the fun fact about this account. I got it for free. I don't even know how, but I just went into my dashboard and I found another one for whatever reason it is. So yeah, let's go through the main one. So the first trade was in here. I took it in a little bit of right, so it was this, right? Okay. Boom. Yeah, it was this because I had my very tight stop and I was really close to getting stopped. I think this is it, yeah. Right, so very nice day, very good day. I just wished I recorded the whole thing. Alright, so let me remove some of this shit. Okay, so initially, pre-market, I'm not gonna zoom out. It's because it's gonna look like a mess. Okay, it's really gonna look like a mess. Okay, so looking at this, right? Pre-market, we have our market open right here on this big ass candle. I was very bearish. I wanted initially price to go higher, sweep all of these highs, right, and then we go lower. But what we end up doing is we automatically shoot lower, which I really didn't like. And what else? ES on the other hand went higher, swept these highs, and just kept like consolidating a little bit. I don't know what the fuck was that. Okay, so we just keep shooting lower and lower from market, and at this point I'm like, okay, as long as, because we take London lows. Let me show you guys. We do take London lows. This was my initial this was my initial low hanging fruit, and after that we have this level. So I was like, if we take both of these, I mean, if I take some shorts over there at this level, I'm automatically gonna target these levels. But if we take them and we inverse this hourly that we have right here, so we have this hourly gap, which I just, so I annotated this hourly, and I was like, if we sweep both of those liquidity levels, we just tapped into this 4 hour. I just checked Justin Warline, by the way, and he took exactly the trade that I'm never gonna take this just because it's pre-market, and even though it looks super nice, that doesn't mean that we won't just go higher, sweep all of this, and then go lower, right? Even though we have external liquidity sweep and internal liquidity sweep, but it doesn't matter. So initially, pre-market, I was itching to take a short right here. Stops at this high, and I'll target this. Absolutely crazy freaking trade that I would, but the only thing that I was afraid of is open, right? Open has a lot of volatility in it, right? So let's just focus on our trades that we took today. Okay, so we took beautiful trades here. We went lower. At this point, like I told you guys, we swept. I'm so sorry because this is really unscripted. like whatever I'm thinking about, I'm just saying. Right, so we sweep this London lows and the sell side. We had this hourly, like I told you, we inverse this hourly. So at this point, I was like, okay, we inverse this hourly. What can we target now? Well, we have these lows right here that I was initially going for. So this was the low that I was aiming for on the first short, which we never did really freaking have. God, well, what a voice crack. We never did really catch. We were like 10 points away. So yeah, I didn't close it here, by the way. I don't know why, but I didn't. I was just like very confident that we were gonna hit these lows, but it's January. January, we've been edging TPs all the time. Okay, so I zoomed into the 15 second. Yeah, you heard that correctly. Into the 15 seconds, and I was like, was it the 15 or the 30 second? Because I'm sure I took it on some form of. Yeah, actually, I was really confident about these. Hold on, let me show you. So we had this SMT right here. Right, so we had this SMT going in, and we also did have another SMT with these eyes. Right, so this is the SMT that really pushed me to take shorts, just because we just inverse this hourly. We're showing poor lack of displacement. Right, even though you see this, the more I see this inversion, right, on the 15 seconds, you can even see it more clearer. Market structure shift, pull back to the fair value gap right here. So yeah, I enter right here, stops there, and I was targeting this whole thing over here. We never did really get it, but yeah. So yeah, market structure shifts. Can I please get it? Can I please get it? Okay. So market structure shift, pull back to FEJ. Entry probably here would have been better, but with like the pre-entry, I just entered there. I wouldn't wait for the fair value gap. Actually looking for a pullback to fair value gap wasn't favorable in my eyes. And yeah, you wait. Yeah, and this is the point where I'm really proud of myself today. I'm actually proud twice, and I'll show you. I'm proud because first of all, I took an early trade. I knew this was an early trade just because I needed to wait for more confluences, right? But I did not want to see us. I did not want to take this inversion or this change in safe delivery because the risk reward ratio is going to be so fucking bad. So I just followed my market experience about NQ, the continuation model, and yeah. So this is an internal model right here, market structure shift, pullback, and you just hold it, be patient, be disciplined, and we run through. We edge TP, we go higher. I probably got out here, I believe so. Yeah, I get out here, somewhere here. Only $80 of profit though. So yeah, we're about to enter a macro. I'm probably just gonna go lower. This is another entry that you could take. Look, another beautiful market structure shift, pullback, run through, right? But I'm done. I'm completely done for today. This is actually really nice. Wow. Good see a continuation. How is ES doing? Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna take any trade. I'm not like that anymore. Have we taken anything? We've taken all of these longs. Okay, well, we do have an SMT here. This is another A plus entry in my eyes. SMT. I'm just gonna run through again. So yeah, here's another trade that I would have taken. So yeah, and the second trade was actually this. I'm very proud of this one. Not proud, just like the efficiency of it is what I like. Now it was a 1-2. I'm sure it was a 1-2. Or something like this, maybe. Well, you guys get the idea, okay? Yeah, so it was this. Okay, so this was the second trade. Okay, so after we get this reaction, I was like, listen, there is two outcomes that we're gonna have here. Either a new market maker buy, just because we have this higher time frame SMT that we put. We weren't inside any PDRA, which made me lean into more of a market maker sell continuation retrace than a market maker buy formation. But yeah, so we go higher, go higher, go higher, start consolidating before 10:30. So I was already expecting and anticipating 10:30 to give us the distribution lower. This is what we mean by January shitty price action. Because if we were trading in any other month, it would just go like this and continue. But now that we are in January, it's gonna probably do something like this: edge it, then play, then go a bit higher, consolidate it, go. You see, it's like it's fucking shit. So yeah, again, same exact thing. Just here, I took a change in the safe delivery entry with our market structure shift, just because I was so confident that we were gonna go lower. We had this inversion, this inverse for value gap right here. Very good. So yeah, inversion, take it right there, boom. And we also did have an SMT, right? We had this internal SMT with like this big ass freaking SMTs. I forgot to tell you guys. We had like SMTs all the way up here because ES went higher. Let me show you guys. Look how ES went higher. It swept all of this London highs and all of that. Meanwhile, NQ was like still here. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, and I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and again, I'm really sorry that I haven't posted in a while, and I promise you guys I'm gonna be very transparent in my trading, whether it's a fucking psychological video for me so I don't like break my monitor, or if it's a trade recap, backtesting session. Either way, I'm gonna start posting every day. And yeah, appreciate you guys being here watching the video. It always gives me a lot of support, you know. And yeah, don't forget to like, sub if you want, comment if you want. It just shows me that you guys are liking the videos. And yeah, peace out. See you in another video. Actually, let's wait and see if this is gonna hold. Let's just chill and see if this is gonna hold. I mean, if this is gonna hit. I think it will. Too much shit on the screen. This is it, right? Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Oh shit. Yeah, it lines up perfectly, broski. Perfectly. And you got probably your -3 somewhere here. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I'm just gonna peace out here, keep recording. Nah, actually, I think it's... You see, this is what I'm talking about January. It's not that great. We are in macro. We're literally in the last AM macro before lunch. We should just go lower. I mean, this is the before the last one, to be quite honest. I think this is still gonna hit. Fair value gap, pullback, boom. I wouldn't take this. I would take this right here, just because the risk reward ratio is not for me right here. And yeah, so yeah, great, great two trades, very lovely. A 1-2, and it could have been a 1-3 if I closed it, but I was just looking for liquidity levels, you know. And yeah. Nice expansion lower. And another green sign is that NQ and ES are both rocketing lower at the same time, which is good. They're both going lower at the same time, which is really nice. We're definitely going to keep going lower. If we get a closure below EQ of the higher time frame, which is this is equilibrium. of the higher time frame range. So right now we are in discount. We're in discount of the higher time frame range. That's what ICT Fanatic tells us to. I mean, I see his videos. He always puts TP like 2 points before, 2 points or 3 points before TP. Just so, bro, imagine we edge this again. That would actually be jokes. Like, edging it is gonna be diabolical. Okay, yeah, TP there. So yeah, great trade. Another entry there. Would I have taken it? No, the risk reward ratio is not enough for me. Maybe you could have put it down there. TP here, still not enough. Leave a runner all the way at the bottom here. Nice. Actually, this is a pretty good trade. This is a pullback, so actually no, my bad. This is a pullback entry. This is not a market structure shift or change in safe delivery entry. This is a pullback. So a pullback means if we tap to the fair value gap, we get another market structure shift. Yeah, you just take that and wait for the fair value gap to hold, right? Because we already do have the market structure shift. We get the pullback without sweeping, especially since we have another SMT here, right? We go lower. If you zoom in, actually, if you zoom in onto the 15 seconds here, yeah, this is actually beautiful. Yeah, right there. Market structure shift. Yeah, you take that. Right, so very good day. We've had 3 entries today. This is an A entry. But yeah, market structure shift, fair value gap. No pullback to the fair value gap, unfortunately. But we do have a pullback to this fair value gap, which is always nice to see. But if you take it in this fair value gap, you automatically have to put your risk reward ratio at the top of the fair value gap. This is a continuation model using OB order block. You'd most likely put your stop loss here. Actually, the stop loss is not protected at all. There's no fair value gap, nothing. Maybe you could leave it here and expect the OB to just hold, but yeah. Right, see you guys. Enough yapping. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.